Hey guys, my name is Nadira Eats Good, and today, guys, I am doing a virtual collab challenge with our girl Nene Eats, and we need Jalil Odom and the rest of the family to be the judge of who won. Basically, we're going to do a 10-minute drinking challenge, drinking a soda, to see who do the longer burps and the best burps. So, guys, when you finish watching Nene Eats challenge, please come over to my channel and watch my challenge and judge my challenge and let us know which one of us that you think that won. Bye.
Hey you guys, welcome back to NenesEats. I'm your girl Nene, and today, as you guys saw from the thumbnail, the title, and my girl Nadira's intro, we are doing a burping challenge today. I told myself I wasn't going to do no more burping challenges, but she likes to do it. I think it's fun, so let's do it. So the challenge is to, drink the soda and see who comes up with the longest and the best burps. We are going to let Jalil Odom judge us, because we all know he is the burping king. But we would also like for you guys to watch her video, watch my video, go back and forth if you want, whatever. And you guys pick a team and see who wins. Tell us who wins, okay? So let me start my timer again. I had it on, but I guess I was talking. There we go. So, and it's a timed challenge. We are drinking and burping for 10 minutes. So enjoy. All right, here we go. Let's go, Nadira. Let's see. I think I got this in the bag. What you guys think? Did I do it? No, let's see. There we go. I already feel like I gotta burp. Ooh. Baby, do me a favor and turn the TV down, please. Oh my gosh. Baby, turn the TV down, please. Have you guys seen this new soda? Oh, goodness. Bold. It's a little spicier than usual, than the usual ginger ale. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, that was a good one. I can't wait to see her video. Ooh, my stomach's hurting. Nadira, you crazy. And she's like, let's do a burping challenge. Oh my gosh. This soda is spicy. Like, you know how ginger is spicy. It's spicier than usual. I don't know if I like that. I won't be buying this soda again. It's in my throat. Sorry. I don't know. Nadira might have this one in the bag. We'll see. I think I'm doing pretty good though. That first one was epic. I don't like this soda. I told myself I was going to do an eating video after this, but I'm going to be full drinking all this soda. Ooh, that one was spicy. Yeah. I didn't like that one. Ugh. Don't buy this soda, y'all. Unless you like that spicy ginger taste. The regular one is good, but this one is bold. I should have known. I don't know if I could drink any more of this soda. It's gross. Top lip is burning. My lip is burning. My throat is burning. Like, ugh. I don't like this soda. Oh shoot. Yeah, okay. I'm tapping out. I'm not about to throw up on camera. Ooh. Yeah, I told myself I was gonna eat. I was gonna cook and eat and do a mukbang for you guys too. Because Tosh Point Fro Eats put out a challenge, Chinese food. What is a Chinese food mukbang challenge? Y'all know I like my noodles and my fried rice and stuff, so. And I'm trying not to throw up because my stomach is full of soda. There's one stuck in my throat. Oh, that was it. Okay, y'all. That was fun. Nadira, I don't know, girl. They're gonna tell us who won. I have a feeling that maybe, I don't know, yours might be like louder and maybe a little longer, but I know I put out a lot of burps. That was a lot. My stomach's burning. Oh. So, I don't know, girl. You guys tell us who won. I know Jalil's gonna see both of our videos, so we don't even have to like tag him or nothing. He'll see him, and then he'll tell us who the winner is, and then I'll talk to her too. When he comments on our video, we'll pin his comment at the top so we can see what he thought. And then you guys tell us what you think. Who won? Who got the best ones? Who got the loudest ones? I should have got a different soda. There may be a rematch on this one, y'all, because I couldn't do it because this soda is making me want to, you know, hurl. And I'm not about to do that on camera. Not for nobody. But I have fun. And you guys may be getting a mukbang video out of me today. Or I'll be recording it today and you won't get it until Friday. But yeah, that was fun. I want to thank oh, that was cute. Challenge is done. Okay, so I want to thank and appreciate each and every one of you guys for clicking into the video. I know a lot of you guys like burps and stuff like that, so I hope you enjoyed it. I did my best. I don't like this soda. See how it says bold? Don't get it. I'm gonna put test review on the top of the title because I taste don't like it. But I have fun. It's always fun to get together with fellow mukbangers and do challenges and stuff like that. So I have fun. I enjoyed myself. Everyone have a blessed day. Continue to have a blessed day. Stay productive. And I will see you guys later. Love ya. Bye. Oh, that's